Have you ever spent a long time on Google trying to find an image and then you're worried about whether that image is appropriate enough for the piece of work you're doing or for the website you have? And then you're also worried about copyright. Well, no fear, I'm going to show you a brand new feature from OpenAI. It's a new tool called Dalle 2, and what it does, it generates images from your descriptions that you give it. Before I do continue, please like, subscribe and share. So I've got Dalle 2 opened up here, which is a new model from OpenAI, and to access Dalle 2 you go to labs.openai.com and put your credentials in to log into the website. Now there's a few things you can do here. Now you can search or let Dalle 2 create an image based on your description here, so it gives you an example what sort of descriptions you can put into Dalle 2's search facility there. Or you can simply upload an existing image either to edit or for Dalle 2 to create variations of that image. So for example, let me show you this one first, how to upload an image to edit or create a variation of that. Click on that link there. It will open up a pop-up box. Then you choose the image you want to edit or to create a variation of. So I'm going to choose this one here, which is an image of a microphone. Click on open. It will ask you whether you want to crop that image. You can skip cropping or crop. I'm going to click on crop. Then it will come up with two options. You can either edit that image, which I'm not going to particularly want to do. I'm just going to click on generate variations, but obviously if you want to check out how to edit the image, you can click on edit image there. I'm going to click on generate variations, and it will go away and it will generate variations of that image, which is now being uploaded onto the Dalle 2 system. And whilst it's doing this, it will give you some tips here, and here we go. So this is my original image here, but it's generated 4 variations of this image here using AI, artificial intelligence here. Whichever one you like, really, you can download that and use that in your piece of work. To download or save the image, you can see the 3 dots here, the top right hand corner. Click on that. You can either open that image in a new tab, edit that image further, generate further variations from that specific image, or download that image onto your device. I'll click on download, and then it will go away. It will download that image, and you can see that image is now downloaded onto my computer. Brilliantly, very quickly done. Now let's say I wanted Dalle 2 to create an image. Let me think of an image. So let's create a microphone. Hold on, a cricket player, because I like cricket, holding a microphone. Let's see what it does. So a cricket player holding a microphone in as a cricket bat. Let's see what it does. I don't know. A cricket player holding a microphone as a cricket bat. Click on generate. That is such a random description. I've just given it. Let's see what it comes up with in terms of the images. So there we go. So you can choose the one you want. So this one is not holding a microphone, unfortunately. This one is, I don't think he's holding a microphone, and the one I think he's holding a microphone is this one. So he's got a cricket bat and a microphone. I guess my description wasn't good enough. This one, I'm not sure what he's doing there. But I guess I'll go with the closest one, which is this one. Let's do a different search. Let's do a bowl of soup as an oil painting. Let's see what it comes up with. Just so random. Let's click on generate. And let's see what it comes up with. Remember, it gives you tips here on how to do the searches, so the AI tool could be used effectively. And here we go. So we've got different images of bowls of soups as oil paintings now. And what you simply do is you can choose the one you like here, and if I like that one, click on that one, download it. So it's all a case of playing around with it. And let me just enhance this search. So let's do a bowl of soup that is a portal to another dimension as digital art. Let's see what it does. Just clicking on search. I'm so excited. Let's see what it brings up. And the good thing about DALL-E 2, on the right side, all the searches you have done, it will store them in your history, so you can really go back and have a look again to see what that's like. So here we go, bowl of soup. That is a portal to another dimension as digital art. So there you go. And if you want to use that, you can use that, and that'll be absolutely great. So check it out. Yeah, DALL-E 2, labs.openai.com. You will get some free credits, but check it out. It's really good to use, and this is how things are developing in terms of artificial intelligence. I did that previous video on ChatGPT. Check that one out too. Hope this video does help you. Please like, subscribe, and share.